Binomial theorem. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 2A, 6th chapter, part number 19. Here, today discussed chapter is binomial theorem. In this binomial theorem, topic is here. This one is the expansion. In this expansion, you can find x power 11 and x power 12 coefficients. Both are equal. You can find n. What is the value of n? First, this problem is exercise 6a, question number 11. Read the problem. If the coefficient of x power 11 and x power 12 in the expansion 2 plus 8x by 3 whole power n. Here power n is there. You can find here n value. These two coefficients are equal. First of all, what is the expansion? 2 plus 8x by 3 whole power n expansion. This expansion comparing with x plus a whole power n. Comparing with x plus a whole power n. What is the value of x? What is the value of x? X value is 2, a value is 8x by 3, n value is n. N value is n. After that, the general term of the expansion x plus a whole power n. X plus a whole power n is, what is the general term of x plus a whole power n? Tr plus 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. This is equation number 1. Here general term formula. After that, in this general term you can find x value, n value, a value. In equation 1, substituted x is equal to 2, a is equal to 8x by 3, n is equal to n. What happened? 1 implies tr plus 1 equal to n value is n, c, r value is r, x value 2 power n minus r are similar, a value is 8x by 3 whole power r. Here this function separately constant and variable. You get tr plus 1 equal to ncr 2 power n minus r 8 by 3 whole power r into x power r. Suppose this general term equation is 2. Substituted values, that general term equation is 2. In this general term, this is x power r term. Which term? X power r term. You can find here x power 11 term. You can write in this equation number 2, in place of r 5, this is x power 5th term. You can write 6, x power 6th term. You can write 10, x power 10th term. Similarly, you can write 11, x power 11th term. This is x power 11th term. This one is coefficient of x power 11th term. That's why I am writing in equation 2, substituted r is equal to 11. R equal to 11. 2 implies t, r value 11 plus 1, n value n, c, r value 11, 2 power n minus r value 11, 8 by 3 whole power r value 11 into x power r value 11. This total is x power 11th term. But what you can find? Coefficient of x power 11. That's why coefficient of x power 11 equal to, write down here, nc11 2 power n minus 11 8 by 3 whole power 11. This is the coefficient of x power 11. Similarly, in equation 2, substituted r equal to 12. Substituted r equal to 12. What happened? 2 implies t 12 plus 1 is equal to nc 12, 2 power n minus r value 12, 8 by 3 whole power r value 12, x power r value 12. This total x power 12th term, but you can find here coefficient only. Therefore the coefficient of x power 12, what is the coefficient of x power 12? nc 12, 2 power n minus 12, 8 by 3 whole power 12. 8 by 3 whole power 12. This is the x power 11 coefficient. This is the x power 12 coefficients. Here x power 11 coefficient, x power 12 coefficient in the x function are equal. This is given. Given that coefficient of x power 11 equal to coefficient of x power 12. This one is given. What is the coefficient of x power 11? nc 11, 2 power n minus 11, 8 by 3 whole power 11. This is the coefficient of x power 11. What is the coefficient of x power 12? nc 12, 2 power n minus 12, 8 by 3 whole power 12. Here coefficient of x power 12 equal to coefficient of x power 11. Next, x power 11 coefficient equal to x power 12. Simplify this one. nc 11, 2 power n minus 11, 8 by 3 whole power 11. Here nc 12, 2 power, this can written as 11 minus 1. Minus 11 minus 1, how much? Minus 11 minus 1, you get minus 12. Similarly, 8 by 3 whole power 12 can written as 11 plus 1. 11 plus 1 also be 12. Here bases are equal, power should be added. You can separate it here. Base nc 11, 2 power n minus 11, 8 by 3 whole power 11 is equal to nc2. This can written as 2 power n minus 11 into 2 power minus 1. 2 power n minus 11 into 2 power minus 1. Here you can write 8 by 3 whole power 11 into 8 by 3 whole power 1. Here 8 by 3 whole power 11, 8 by 3 whole power 11 get cancelled. 2 power n minus 11, 2 power n minus 11 also be cancelled. Here next nc 11 is equal to, here no one is there, 1 is there, nc 11 into 1 nc 11, nc 12 into here 8 by 3 into 2 power minus 1 can written as 1 by 2, 2 1s are 2 4s are. Similarly, you can write nc 11 equal to nc 12 into 4 by 3. You can cross multiply this one. 3 into nc 11 equal to 4 into nc 12. 3 into nc 11 equal to 4 into nc 12. After that, you can write NCR formula. What is the formula of NCR? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula of NCR. In this NCR formula, you can write in place of n, in place of r 11, in place of n, here in place of r 12. You can write 3 into n factorial by n minus 11 factorial into 11 factorial is equal to 4 into n factorial by n minus 12, r value 12, n minus 12 factorial into 12 factorial. After that what? 3 into n factor get cancelled. 3 by here n minus 11 factorial into 11 factorial is equal to 4 by n minus 12 factorial into 12 factorial. After that this n minus 11. This n minus 11 extended first term n minus 11. Second term n minus 11 minus 1. Here each term subtracted 1, n minus 11 minus 1, n minus 12. You can write 3 by n minus 11 first term, second term n minus 12 factorial into 11 factorial. 4 by here n minus 12, you can write n minus 12 factorial. 12 factorial nothing but first term 12, second term 12 minus 1. What is the value of 12 minus 1? 12 minus 1 nothing but 11 factorial. 12 into 11 factorial. 11 factorial, 11 factorial get cancelled. N minus 12 factorial, n minus 12 factorial get cancelled. 4 1s are, 4 3s are. You get 3 by n minus 11 is equal to, here no one is there, 1 by 3. You get cross multiply. N minus 11 into 1, n minus 11. 3 into 3, 9. You get n is equal to 11 plus 9. N value equal to 11 plus 9, how much? 20. Then the coefficient of x power 11, and the coefficient of x power 12 given x function is equal, then n value is 20. This is 7 marks question IP examination impounded problem. Next, assignment problem or homework problem of the previous problem model. This one is an example problem. 7 marks question. Find the coefficient of x power 9, coefficient of x power 10. Enough. Find the coefficient of x power 9 and coefficient of x power 10 in the expansion of 2x square minus 1 by x whole power 20. Here 2x square minus 1 by x whole power 20 comparing with x minus a whole power n. What is the value of x? X value is 2x square, a value is 1 by x, n value is 20. After that we can write general term. General term of in this x function tr plus 1 equal to minus 1 whole power r ncr x power n minus r a power r. This is the general term of x minus a whole power n x function. In this x function you can write x value 2x square, a value 1 by x, n value 20 in the general term. After that separated constants and variables. Here variable only one is there, that is x. Here the variable of x equal to the variable of x power equal to 9, you get r value. You get r value. That r value substituted in general term, you get x power 9 coefficients. Similarly, the power of x equal to 10, you get r value. That r value substituted in general term, you get x power 10 coefficient. This is a similar problem model. We do that this problem.